Okay, yeah, so we're gonna unbox my new shoes. I'm so excited. I brought a new pair of Steve Madden shoes, and I brought 2 new pair of Aldo shoes. So let me unbox this right quick because this one will be easier. Let me grab my scissors, be right back. I am so excited, y'all. Oh my God. I know them Steve Madden. Those are so cute. I had to get a pair of those. So the Aldo shoes. Oh yeah, these are the gold ones. These are cute. These are so cute. I know these. Oh my God, these are so cute. And it's the pillow top ones. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these. I can't wait to wear those. These other pair, the showstopper. I thought it was bigger than that on the. It looked bigger. This part right here looked bigger on the picture, but these are still cute, and I like the square toes. It gives your feet won't be like this on the inside of the shoe. But these are cute. I like these. Now for these Steve Maddens, I wanted these shoes. I've been wanting these shoes for a minute. I don't even know how long they've been out, but it couldn't have been that long because they're still expensive. Well, they're expensive to me. Might not be expensive to you, but they're expensive to me. I think these was like $100 and some odd dollars, 75? No, 100 and something. These are cute. Look at these. Oh my God. I am, whew. These are cute. These are so cute. These are gonna be in my new video with my shoe things. These 3 right here. And then the other ones that I got in my closet already. I got a million pair of shoes, but I'm excited. I'm excited for these. These, and then the black ones were my favorite 2 pair that I had ordered. One thing about Steve Madden, I wish they had a cushion in it, but it looks like it got enough cushion in it, especially like right here at the ball of your feet. But, and I could wear these with this hair. Oh baby, my new lemon pepper steppers. Hey, 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 I don't know where we go, baby. I am single and ready to motherfucking mingle, honey. Oh, shit.